Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala. Today is Monday, very special day for praying to Lord Shiva. 28th of July 2025. This magnificent, miraculous place is filled with Shiva. They say every step you take here is filled with thousands of Shivaling. So be assured that you will be overwhelmed by His presence when you are here in Tiruvannamalai. Be ready to be overwhelmed. Be ready to be flooded with His grace when you are here in Tiruvannamalai. Arunachala, or Annamalayar as we call him here, is always here. Are we always thinking of Him? Are we always with Him? No, we get distracted. The best sadhana is to constantly keep thinking about Him. First we do it consciously. We do it as a practice. We chant His name, we chant Lingashtakam or whatever to keep us aligned with His force. The Wi-Fi signals are everywhere, but only when you switch your Wi-Fi on in your mobile, you are linked to that. The same way, Annamalayar or Arunachala is everywhere. He is Sarvavyapi. He is omnipresent. He is always there. But we have to tune ourselves to His vibration. We have to be open enough to receive His signal, to receive His grace. That's the only sadhana worth doing in this universe. If at all you want to walk the spiritual path, or even if you want a better life than the one which you are living now, or you just want to be in His presence, just increase your receptivity, increase the flow of His grace into your life, and everything will be taken care of. He is everything, and once we realize that, we become everything. He comes inside us and He makes us everything. Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala.